Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself Hiten Kheni, and today we are going to learn about how to calculate moment of resistance for given singly RCB. Now before going to the calculation, let us check what are the required criteria is there in the calculation. Now first of all, we are given the cross section B cross D of singly RC beam, as well as we have given the area of steel provided in singly RC beam. Now from this data, first of all we are going to calculate effective depth, or we can say that small d, which is equal to d minus cover minus diameter by 2, or we can say that capital D minus effective cover. Now generally in calculation we are going to assume effective cover as 50 mm. So we can directly say that small d is equal to capital D minus 50 in terms of mm. Next required point is from Annex G 1.1a, page number 96, which is the neutral axis value, and the equation is given as 0.87 Fy into AST divided by 0.36 FCK into B. From this we are going to calculate the value of neutral axis, and from page number 70, four five six 2000, we are going to use XU max by D value for different grade of steel. It means that it is given as for 250 0.53, for 415 it is 0.48, and 500 it is given as 0.46. Now after calculating the value of XU max and XU, we are relating the value of XU and XU max. If XU is less than XU max, it means that our section is under reinforced section. It means that for calculation of under reinforced section, we have to use moment of resistance equation as Annex G 1.1 into B subclause. It means that we have to use mu as 0.87 Fy AST into D in bracket 1 minus Fy into AST by FCK BD. If XU is equal to XU max, then our beam is balanced section, and we are going to use mu equation from G 1.1 C, which is mu limiting equation. And if XU is greater than XU max, it means that our beam is over reinforced section. In this case we are going to calculate moment resistance from equation G 1.1 C, similar to the balance connection. Now let us go for the calculation. Now assume that the beam size is given as 300 by 450 as overall depth, and 3 numbers of 20 mm bar as a reinforcement. So according to beam size, overall size is 300 by 450. If we remove effective cover 50 mm from overall depth, we will have small d is equal to 400. Now our equation XU is equal to 0.87 Fy capital AST divided by 0.36 FCK B. Now assuming that grade of concrete and steel is given as M20 Fe 415, so 0.87 is constant, Fy for Fe 415 is 415, AST is 3 numbers of 20 mm dia. It means that 3 times pi by 4 into 20 square divided by 0.36, FCK is given as M20, so 20 Newton per mm square, and small b is 300. Now calculating the values, it is equal to 157.46 mm. It means that if three numbers of 20 mm dia reinforcement is given in 300 by 450 cross sectional beam, then the neutral axis is at 157.46 mm. Now for Fe415, we have XU max divided by D is equal to 0.48 from page number 70. It means that the maximum value of neutral axis is equal to 0.48 into D. Now D value is 400, so 0.48 into 400, it is 192 mm. Now see, XU is 157.46 and XU max is 192 mm. It means that XU is less than XU max and our beam is under reinforced beam. It means that we have to calculate moment of resistance using equation Nx G 1.1 B, which is equal to which is equal to 113.88 into 10 raised to 6 Newton into mm. Now in terms of kilonewton meter, it is equal to 113.88 kilonewton meter. It means that for 300 by 450 beam, if three numbers of 20 dia reinforcement is given, then the moment of resistance is 113.88. Let us take another example. If same cross section is given with the grade of steel and grade of concrete is M20 Fe415, then from above calculation we can say that XU max is equal to 192 mm. Now let us calculate the value of XU, which is equal to 0.87 Fy. Here AST is 4 numbers of 5 by 4 D square divided by 0.36 FCK into small b, which is equal to 300, 209.95 mm. Now here XU is greater than XU max. It means that our section is over reinforced section. Now we have to calculate mu in terms of mu limit for over reinforced section, and the equation is R FCK B D square, where R is equal to 0.36 XU max by D in bracket 1 minus 0.42 XU max by D. Now if we put XU max by D is equal to 0.48, we will get the value 0.138 as a R. So mu limit is equal to 0.138 into FCK into B into D square, which is equal to 132.48 into 10 raised to 6 Newton into mm. It means that 132.48 kilonewton meter. It indicates that if overall cross section is given as 300 by 450 with 4 numbers of 20 mm dia bar, then the moment of resistance is 132.48 kilonewton meter. Thus moment of resistance is calculated with respect to XU as well as XU max, and we will use two equation, mu limiting as well as mu from NxG 1.1. Thank you.